This is VJ. I will be giving 4 lectures in the Cells as Factories module, and the first one is tomorrow. And some of you may have heard this already, but I thought I'll give this as a teaser for what we're going to do tomorrow. We need sustainable forms of energy, and bioethanol, which is produced in large quantities in Brazil and in the US. So we will learn more about bioethanol production, primarily from Brazil, because I spent 2 years there as a postdoc. But how much to produce? Because if you want to substitute fossil fuels, you've got to know some numbers. So we will focus on some numbers. So if you're not comfortable with numbers, go back to your first semester notes from MBB303. And of course, you can also talk with the person next to you, because we'll be doing some quiz using your smartphone. So how is it produced? Some numbers. And the biochemistry, how much ethanol can you get out of sucrose or glucose? And how can you mimic the process in the laboratory? Because that happened in Brazil, but if you want to do it in UK, how do we do it? And finally, what are the uniqueness of the Brazilian process compared to the corn process in the US? So this is what I'll be talking about tomorrow's lecture. See you there. Bye-bye.